Hello, welcome to the world of floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion comb bounce. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Obviously you could end lots and lots of different ways. If you don't already know an accordion, then it's probably a good idea to learn that first. There's a clip for it already. But for those of you who are already up to speed, let's go for it. We go right to right, semicircle back, offering the left towards the lady, thumb down, palm towards. We're going to come in, picking up the hand. We're going straight into a return. So we go raise the right, lower the left. As the lady's coming around, that right hand's coming over the guy's head as the left comes up and goes over the lady's head. So there's comb number 1, one pair, one each. As we come off both heads at the same time, we're going to dip the hands. Guys are turning left, ladies are turning a little bit right. The right now goes over the lady and the left goes over the guy. We undo it again, bouncing back off. Little dip. Back to the first version, right over the guy, left over the lady. So that's 3 pairs. And then all we're going to do is we're going to bounce off, dip the hands, start them going to the left to start rotation for the lady. Then right over the lady, left over the lady, down with the right. And look, back to an accordion, return. And back. So let's do that again from the other side, and we'll pop some numbers in. So we go semicircle back and offer 1, returning the lady, 2, right going over the guy, left going over the lady with a little turn to the guy's right, 3, bouncing off and taking the right over the lady, left over the guy, turn to the guy's left, 4, bouncing off, back to the other combs, 5, coming off 6, turning 7, facing 8, return 1 and back 2. When you come off, you can combine the coming off and going into the turn to 1 count, or you can take your time like we did just then and do it in 2. Okay, so let's try it to a slow count. Here we go. 5, a 6, accordion combs. We go a back, return, comb 1, 2, 3, off, turn, face, return and back. Okay, same thing from the other side, and this time we're going to do the fast way out. 5, 6, 7 and 8. We go a back, return, comb 1, 2, 3, turn, face, return and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive move. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.